If you look at this blog page, you see that articles have been written almost, in fact, every single day. Articles have been written. So this is the fourth, the third, the third, the third, the third, the second, the first, this, the next day. So every single day, articles have been written. And the crazy part of all this is that I did not write any single word of these articles. This is my website, and every single day articles are republished automatically on their own, and they match exactly the kind of things that I want to create. If you do not know, this is my website in which I promote the apps that I create. So these are my apps over here. So you can see the Catholic Theology AI, you can see the blog automation AI. So, and that is what all this insight here are all talking about. They're all trying to publish. And if you're wondering how good these articles are, let me open up this so you can see it in full length. So you can see that it's very long. It has all the content you need. And at the bottom over here, you can see that there is a link to my app. When you click on it, it opens up the link to the app. So all this is completely automated. Now, in the next few seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how to accomplish this same thing. So you just set it up, you give it all the parameters you need, and then you go to sleep. And then every single day you wake up, new articles are being created for you that matches exactly the SEO and keywords that you want. So I'm going to see you in the next slide. So welcome to the next slide. This is my phone, and then you can see this app over here. It's called SleepPublish. So this is the app. Now when you download this app and use it, what it does is very simple. Let's say, for example, you have a website, you have a WordPress website, or your website uses Notion or Wix, no matter what it is. Once you log into the app and everything, you have the ability to connect your CMS to the app. So from here, you can see that there are different CMS. We have the WordPress, we have the Ghost, we have the Webflow, Notion, Wix, Shopify, and Webhook. For my own website, I just showed you just recently, I'm using Notion. For you, it can be WordPress. So if you're using Notion like me, you click on Notion, and then you enter your integration token and your database ID, and then you set up, and it will map out the inline database columns that you have set up, and that's what is that's done here. Then you can test your connection, and you can send a test article. So this is how it's set up. Now once you finish doing that, you notice that there are more options here, and these options are categorized as content strategy. So this is where we train the AI to sound exactly like you and to write content for you in a particular keyword, niche, or SEO targets that you want to create articles for. So the first thing you see is the audience voice, and then under it you see the target audience. Here it's an input field, so you can write as much as you want. So you can tell the AI exactly the kind of people you want to target. So here you see Catholic seeking deeper understanding, and then the content goes on and on and on to the very end. So you can give it a detailed description of your target audience. Then you can also give it your own tone of voice, so how you want it to sound. So you can give it here too. Then you can decide to choose whichever language that you want. So English is the default language. Now you have the SEO and keywords. So this is where you pile up the AI with the SEOs you want to target. And by this time, if you notice from the app, we have the keyword section. So we also within the app already, we are giving you the opportunity to do your keyword research here, and then you find the keywords that has the best search volume and competition. Now once you have all these things, you can come over here and input the keywords that you have. It can be as long as possible, and then you can continue like that. So the same thing applies here. So under here you have the product that you are promoting. So here you can give it the product name and the product description. This also helps AI in structuring your call to action, and then be able to write proper content for you. Same thing goes there. So here is the call to action that you want to give it. Here you can also give it a full length and post the the URL of the product you want to promote. So this is the URL. So, and the good part of this is that once this URL has been given, the AI is able to understand that the URL is being sent to you, and then it formats it perfectly as you have seen, so that it is clickable. Now you can give it things to avoid, and then you can give it a kind of advanced instruction on how you want the articles to be written. So this is my own advanced instruction. It's very detailed, so you can do the same thing. Now you can train it on your own. You can train the AI on your own writing style. So if you're the one who already have a way in which you write and you want to maintain that consistency, you just paste the content here, and then AI will constantly refer to it to be able to create content that aligns with your voice. Now this option here is simply to review before you publish. So these are those who are not really comfortable with AI just publishing anything like that. They want to be able to read what AI has written and probably make edits to it before publishing. So once you turn it on, the system will not publish automatically. Instead, once it is time for the schedule, once the schedule time reaches, it simply writes the content for you and leave it as draft. So you can come back later and look at it before you can click on the publish button for it to be published. So this is how you set up your system. Now, once you are done with this part, you can come to the queue and you click on the generate 30 days plan. So once you do that, this plans has been generated for you. So these are a series of articles that will be generated. So you can see that under here, this is the end and this is the published article. It has published about 16 articles for me already. So these are those that are remaining. So the same thing happens for you. It will generate 30 days articles for you. So it will give you the title and the SEO on which it wants to write article for you. And then you can click on the calendar review to see the days that are left and the articles for each day till the last day. So I'll just show you an example of the published article. So this is the one I just showed you from the first video. So this is the article here, and this is the URL at the bottom there. So this article was generated automatically and then published automatically for me. And as you can see, my Notion URL where I published it to the CMS. This is it over here. And so you can see it was published throughout the day. And if you go to the dashboard, you can see the upcoming article that's coming up, which is this one. So by tomorrow, or in the next 21 hours, these articles will be live on my website for me to review. And this is the history in which the articles that has published so far. So this is a whole complete system for you. You have your keyword research, you have your CMS that you can connect, you have your 30 days article. If once this finishes and gets to the end, you can simply click on this and it will generate a whole new article for you for your next 30 days. And that's how it's to keep on promoting and writing content for you and pushing it to your website. And we all know how important it is to publish daily on our website in terms of domain ranking and the rest of it. It's a good mine for SEO. If Google knows that every single day you are releasing something, it gives you its priority and indexing, which helps you a lot. So this is how the app works. If you are looking to get it, we'll just simply go to the App Store right now. Go to the App Store right now, and then you can search for SleepPublish like this. And then this is it over here. This is it. So this is the app. You can download it. Everything is already stated for you. So this is the keyword research. This is how it looks like. So it's one of the best investments you can ever give to yourself if you are serious about ranking, if you are serious about your business, if you are serious about creating content daily. Set it up, automate it, and then go and sleep. I will see you on the other side. Thank you. So you have seen the proper demo of SleepPublish. It's a new app, just came out recently. I created it. It's my own way of trying to solve the stress that I face in terms of creating articles and ranking and SEOs. So I know that many people are experiencing this, and some of the tools out there to accomplish the same thing are extremely expensive. I promise you that this app is really affordable. You will be shocked when you see the price for it. It is a 7 days free trials for you to test it and use it and see how it works. After that, you get the price is very reasonable. So if you love content like this, please make sure you like and subscribe to this channel, because I will be posting content on these tools that I create regularly. And this is, I've also created multiple other apps that you might find interesting. We have the Catholic Theology AI, we have the LoveOnRead that teaches you how to chat in a more interesting way and chat properly. You have TalkToTask. This is very simple. You just ramble your voice, your ideas, your things you want to do for the day. Just speak it out. The app will record your voice and then create a series of tasks for you. And it does not just create those tasks for you, it also converts those tasks into structured writing, such as social media posts, emails, articles, journals, anything you want to talk about, any kind of structured writing you think of is placed for you. Then you have the Unstack. So this is very unique. This simply allows you to take pictures of documents you have, and then the system is able to extract the information from that document and put it in a vault, an AI vault, so that you can ask it any question that you want. You can ask it when your payment is due. At the same time, you can also set calendars, alerts or schedules from those scanned documents. And then finally, we have the SleepPublish, which is what I just showed you. It's an AI blog writer and auto publisher that automates your blog. So these are the tools. If you want them right now, just simply go to the description. The links are in the description. Copy them, paste them in your browser, and then get them. So thank you very much, and see you next time.